Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, and today I'm going to be doing a little swipe again. This is a 10 by 10, and this is, I put the black base down. Just going to pop some air bubbles. Ooh, see all those bubbles? Because I shook my paint. Really shouldn't do that. FYI. Alright, so let that settle down for a minute. So I was originally going to, and I'm still going to, do one with a gold base. But when I mixed up my gold, I decided to be fancy, and I put in this bronze. This is just like a powder. It's not really a mica powder. I don't really know exactly what it is, but you kind of, for alcohol inks, you use it. It's called Aqua bronze. And you can like blow it into your alcohol ink. I've used it in resin, and it works just fine. But it's from Germany, and I can't read the US. I can't read it, but I'm gonna have to research what exactly it is. Mix bronze pigment. It's just bronze pigment. So anyway, I've mixed it into my gold to see what it would do, and it kind of, can you see? It almost made, and I was thinking it might be cool, but then I was thinking, oh, what if it's like all little dots? I didn't really want that. So I'm going to use this in the painting, but I'm not using it as my base. So I changed my mind. I'm just going to go with the black base. So this is going to be all metallic. So I'm going to use that. So that was a mixture of old gold by Artist Loft, and then that bronze pigment. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using some Deco Art Rose Gold metallic. I'm going to be using some Deco Art Pearl metallic. I'm going to use a little silver. It's going to be all metallics. A little Folk Art Treasure Gold, Antique Copper. I have a little, and another different, it's like more of a brownie antique copper, and this is by Folk Art as well. And I have a metallic black I'm going to use, and I might throw in a little purple, maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. So, all right, so I'm going to get started. There's another color I wanted to use. Hold on. Where is it? Blue black, Pebeo blue black. That's it. Okay, so let me put down my colors, and there was another color. Gold. Oh, a little mysterious. That's what it was. All right, mysterious. And this is all I have left of this Art Minds Mysterious. I love this color. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put down. Let's put down this gold with the flecks in it and see what happens. How do I want to do it? So this is really pretty. A lot going on. There's a lot of lacing and you know, obviously if you're familiar with using metallics, you know that you get a lot of effects with metallic paints. So even without the Floetrol, I would have had some cool effects going on, but this is really, really pretty. So I just want to let you know what this does in the paint. You can see it. I don't know if you can through the camera. I can't, you know, look through it right now, but when I review the video, I'll see if you can see it. There's like little specks of gold, almost like a gold leaf effect throughout it. And it's actually gives it a kind of a cool, different, cool effect. I like it. So you can see it in here. Can you see the gold, the like pieces almost? But it's not pieces, they're gold, and they kind of pool. So it's almost like a gold leaf, I think. A powdered gold leaf, maybe? But anyway, because when I stir it, they go away. But if you let it sit, they pool together, and that's what's happening in here. Hopefully they won't pool too much, and then I won't like it, but if it stays the way it is right now, it's going to be good. I'm going to just torch it a little bit. Alright, but it's really cool. I mean, it looks like there's like little gold pieces. Let me see something. Just want to see if I can move them. Yep. So I guess this is like a powdered liquid leaf. I don't know. If anybody knows exactly what this is, please enlighten me. Can you see it? So it's called Aqua Bronze, and I believe it's made in Germany. I bought it because I was watching a alcohol ink video, and she used it in the alcohol ink video, and it was really cool. So I wanted it for alcohol inks, but I thought, oh, let me give it a shot in here, and actually it's doing some cool things. All right, so let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, that's it. If you haven't already, go check out my 2,000 subscriber giveaway video and see what I'm giving away, and enter. If you are not a subscriber here, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and like if you want to. All right, have a good one. I will see you all very soon. Bye bye now.